Top 5 apps like Robuxcenter reviews that actually work today. If you're searching for Robux and stumble upon sites like Robuxcenter, stop and listen. Many people get this wrong. Free Robux generators often don't work, and some can even risk your account. But there are real apps and official methods that let you earn rewards safely. Number 1. Microsoft Rewards. Use Bing searches or complete activities to earn points, then redeem them for Roblox gift cards. Totally legit and confirmed by players everywhere. Number 2. Roblox gift card rewards through select game stores. Apps like Amazon or Walmart offer digital gift cards with trusted payment systems. You buy safely, and the Robux go straight to your account. Number 3. Google Opinion Rewards. Share your thoughts in quick surveys and earn Play Store credits, which you can then use to purchase Robux. Simple, quick, and secure. Number 4. Fetch Rewards. Upload your shopping receipts and exchange points for Roblox gift cards. Users love that they turn groceries into gaming rewards. Number 5. Shopkick. Earn points by walking into stores, scanning products, or watching videos. Redeem those points for digital Roblox credit. No risky logins required. These methods work today because they follow the rules. They protect your account while giving you fun ways to earn Robux over time. So skip the scams, stick with trusted rewards, and enjoy your Roblox adventures with peace of mind. Play smart and stay safe out there.